Welcome to Educare Home Tutor. My name is Ajitesh Raghuvanshi and I am part of Team Educare since very beginning. And in this video, I am going to tell you about how you can join us as a tutor and the terms and conditions related to it. Educare Home Tutor was founded in 2016 and we got registered in 2017. Since then, we are providing home tuition services to the student of nursery to 12th all subjects. Our goal is to stop the exploitation of private tutors in the market and to provide quality education with individual care. Here are the 4 things you should know to join us as a tutor. Our payment and charges, our client allotment process, our terms and conditions, and our partnership program. Let me explain you about the payment and charges in Bhilai Durg. We charge from 150 rupees per hour to 300 rupees per hour from our clients and pay to our tutors 93 rupees per hour to 186 rupees per hour. The difference between the payment and charges is because of the commission, the Educare Academy charge, that is 38% on the total fees, and the 62% is paid to the tutors. Your per hour payment depend upon your qualifications, experience and the classes you are going to teach. At Educare, full-time tutors earn up to 20,000 rupees by devoting up to 8 hours on regular basis. Part-time tutors earn 10 to 15,000 rupees on monthly basis by devoting up to 6 hours on regular basis, and interns earn up to 6 to 8,000 rupees on monthly basis by devoting 2 to 4 hours on regular basis. Payment of hours completed within a month will be paid in the beginning of next month. 10% of each month pay will be deducted as security deposit for the purpose of continuation and will be refunded at the time of discontinuation or after completing the session. A detailed payment slip will be provided each month at the time of payment. It includes your hours completed, per hour payment and your deductions till date. Now let's come to the terms and conditions. It is mandatory to take the classes on time and conduct regular tests at least twice a month and teach according to the requirement of client. The strict legal action can be taken by the tutor, parents or student for any misconduct held by the tutor or to the tutor. If you want to discontinue, 2-month advance notice is required for the same and you cannot discontinue during the exams of students. No direct negotiation with the client under any circumstances. If found, you will be liable to pay 10,000 rupees per student and a legal action can be taken by Educare Home Tutor under section 420 of IPC. No extra classes, no parallel classes, no extra student in the same class until we confirm for the same. If found, will be treated as direct negotiation. Direct negotiation will be verified through surprise visits by the area manager or by location tracking. You have to share your live or current location when asked. Refusal for the same will be treated as direct negotiation. Immediate response to any call or message from clients or Educare Home Tutor is mandatory. Allotment of students depend upon the availability of students in your location. You can read all the terms and conditions in the description. Now let's come to the client allotment process. Local area requirements regarding home tuitions will be informed. Details regarding class, board, subject, area and hourly plan will be informed along with the preferred timing. After receiving all the details, go through the details carefully and confirm us only if you want to take that particular class. Note that after confirming us, refusal for taking that particular class may lead to your discontinuation. After your confirmation to take that particular class, your information will be forwarded to the client. It includes your qualification, experience and per hour charges. Along with your details, the details of other available tutor for the same class will be forwarded to the client. Now client has the option to select any tutor to take demo classes. If you got selected, demo class will be scheduled and timing will be informed. You have to take 2 demo class per client according to the hourly plan of the client. We don't charge and pay for demo classes. Refusal after confirming for a demo or after conducting a demo may lead to discontinuation. After the demo class, confirmation regarding continuation or discontinuation will be informed. You can also read the client allotment process in the description. Now let's come to our partnership program. Contribution of every tutor is important at Educare. So that's why we reward them with our share units. These share units give them monetary benefit till they continue and also after their discontinuation. On every 100 rupees commission earned by Educare, 1 unit of share will be allotted. All the shares allotted to you will be clearly reflected in your payment slip. There are 2 monetary benefits of these shares allotted. First one is, till you continue as a tutor, out of the branch net profit, 30 to 60% of the profit is distributed between the tutors in the proportion of shares allotted. And after your discontinuation, 30 to 60% of net profit of all the branches of Educare is distributed between the tutors in the proportion of shares allotted. Details regarding the partnership program is also mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching the video. To apply as a tutor, you can visit our website, that is www.educarehometutor.com, or you can also find the link for the tutors form in the description. And regarding any doubt or queries, you can contact us.